If you're one of the many folks who decided to make a career change to user experience, congratulations! The world needs more UX professionals like you to design our products and services. But changing careers is challenging and stressful. One way to reduce that stress is to take measured steps towards your UX career goal. And if you're planning on applying to UX jobs, well, you can't just reuse your current resume. You need a UX-focused resume. So let's go over the critical parts for a UX career changer. At the top, there's a small area for personal information. Include your name, but be careful. Unconscious bias with your name's assumed ethnicity can affect the number of employer callbacks. If you're concerned this may impact your application, use your first initial or a preferred name instead. Mention only your city, state, and zip code. Include a link to your portfolio website or file download service. Use a professional-looking email address and list one phone number with a polite voicemail recording where the hiring manager can reliably contact you. The following section is for UX experience, which is the most critical part of your resume. At least one entry here shows the hiring manager you're applying your new UX knowledge and are committed to changing your career. If you feel stuck and unable to get UX experience without UX experience, try these approaches. Work as a freelance UX consultant. Provide UX services to a nonprofit. Tap your friends and family for business owners who might benefit from UX improvements. Or apply to UX apprenticeship or internship opportunities. For each UX experience, include the following: your job title and the employer's name. Use freelance consultant or the name of your consulting business if you weren't a full-time employee. The start and end dates in months and years. Use present if still working there. Add the employer's location or a remote label if that clarifies the role. Summarize your job responsibilities in 2 to 3 concise sentences. Start sentences with verbs and use numbers when appropriate to communicate the context and scope of your duties. List your achievements in a bulleted list using a circle. Achievements are impactful results you delivered on the job by applying your skills, abilities, and talents. Write them using this structure: verb, quantitative achievement, context, using skill, tool, or technology. Emphasize numerical results and keep them to 1 line each. You can also list non-quantitative achievements, but they'll be less persuasive. Aim for at least 1 achievement per job and list more for more recent experiences and fewer for less recent ones. Next, show how you obtained your UX knowledge. List the credential name and level if it's a degree. Mention who awarded it, the months and years it took to earn it, and the location if it helps. Then describe your coursework in 2 to 3 concise sentences. Cite specific UX skills or tools you studied or used in a class project. If you have any achievements, use the same bulleted format from before, but instead list honors and scholarships or academic awards. Then list out your non-UX work history. Follow the same format as before: job title, employer, dates, location, responsibilities, and achievements. If you earned a promotion, give it a separate entry. Now, this is important. You must try reframing these old jobs with your new UX career in mind. Reflect on your past responsibilities and achievements and connect them to job transferable UX skills, like interviewing, data analysis, presentations, project management, budgeting, software development, or design and research tools. Even if you can't, delivering results on time and under budget, working effectively on a team, or successfully leading and developing others has merit. For any other university degrees, keep them to 1 line at the bottom of your resume and share just a few key details: name and level, the university, the year earned, and location. For UX career changers, remember to apply your UX knowledge, be mindful of what you've achieved, and truthfully reframe your past from a UX perspective. Use this advice to overcome that resume hurdle in your job search and resume your UX career journey.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nngroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our UX courses that offer live, hands-on UX training.